Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something rather new for you. I have done a project pan before, but I figured, you know what, it's time to do one again because I have a lot of products that I'm not that happy with and that I just want to get out of my collection, but I also don't want to just throw them away. I'm going to do a project pan. This will probably go for a year and I will film them on every first of the month. I don't know when the videos will come out because right now I'm only uploading once a week. So if I have some other videos planned, it might get pushed to the back. So anyways, I have 10 products here, and this is a rolling project pan. So whenever something is used up, I will put something else in. I have my list here. I've got everything. So chronological order. The first that I put in is the BTS perfume. This is the Eau de Poudre. This is Jimin's perfume. If you don't know about BTS, they have 7 members and everyone has perfume. So anyways, and I got this in a mystery box, and I think it's already a bit old because it's yellow. It still smells good, but it's yellow. So I won't use it. It's not that much left, and it's a unisex perfume, so everyone can use it, but I still won't use that. Also, I got my handy dandy scale here, which is by Asha, or Asha, I have no idea how to say it. That weighs up to 200 grams, I think. So if something is heavier than that, yeah, we will see. So this, as of now, September 1st, it weighs 120 grams. And it has 50 milliliters. It also doesn't last that long, so you have to respray it a couple times, so I think I can use it up rather quickly. Should I mark this? I'm not going to mark this. I want to keep the bottle pristine, but this is the first. Then we have the lip liner. Oh god. The thing is, I'm not a huge fan of lip liners. We got this in a little fantastic box, and I have another one because lip liners are the only thing that stay put underneath the mask for me. So this is the Diego de la Palma lip liner in 80, I don't know what color it is. It's what I have on right now. With very cute, yes, with a lip balm underneath because it dries out my lips so much, and I'm always using it all over the lips because I cannot use it as a normal liner. I don't have that many lipsticks to begin with, and I definitely do not have one in this shade, so there's no use for a normal lip liner. I have used it obviously today, and it's not looking that great. Usually when it's sharpened, it looks nice. So I have this here. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's here. It's still quite a lot left. And this weighs, September 1st, 2.52 grams. That is with the cap. Okay, up next, we have a concealer that I don't like. It's my daily concealer, but I don't like it. The NYX Born to Glow doesn't give me as much coverage. Oh my god, it doesn't give me as much coverage as I want, and I don't really like it. So this has 9.94 grams left with the cap as well. I just want to finish this up. I don't like it. The powder. This has been in my collection for a while. This is the Catrice Matte Plus powder. I have hit pan on it, and it currently weighs 38.93 grams. But I've had this for a while, like I said, and when I first started using it, there was kind of a hard pan going on, and still, when I go over it, there's not that much coming off, and it's not enough for my liking. It's not enough to blot out all the oiliness, so I have to go in quite a lot, and yeah, this is rather old, so I really want to finish this up. It will take me a while though, because yeah, powder just takes forever. Then I have this. We got in a little fantastic box not that long ago, I don't think. This is the Ritual of Jing, J-I-N-G, body scrub, a mild body scrub. It smells good. It's very mild on the skin, but still takes off the dead skin. And I just don't use it. It's not that I forget it, because when I shower, TMI, but when I wash my body, I face the wall, right? And I look at it every single time, and I don't use it. I don't know why. So I put it into this so I can use it up because it's a nice product, but I just don't use it. So this has 65.81 grams left. Then the shampoo. I'm not using this as a shampoo. This is the Garnier Nourishing Banana Hair Food for dry hair, and guess what? It makes my hair even drier. It dries my hair out, and it's for dry hair. So anyway, I will probably just use it as a hand soap, or to clean my pads, or to do anything. It smells good, and I don't want to throw it away because, you know, I don't know. So I'm going to use it up in any other way possible. You would think that would be easy because you wash your hands quite a lot, but I still want to use normal soap. This weighs 121.35 grams. And I still have another shampoo that I don't like that much, so that will also be in this project once it's empty. Oh yeah, the 7-second hair mask that I have by Glisco. So basically you put this is the Express Repair Treatment Ultimate Repair with liquid keratin and pearl serum. So you put it into your very dry hair, leave it on for 7 seconds, and then wash out. It works amazingly. It makes your hair super soft and shiny, but don't use too much because it can very quickly look oily. And this is why I don't use it that much. I mean, I have used it. It's here, I think. I have used it. But I'd rather not use it because, you know, the possibility of me looking oily is very high with this. I put this into this project in hopes I can use it up. I don't know when though, because I don't really want to use it. Anyways, 158.76 grams. Quite a lot, oh my god. Then a body lotion and hand lotion. So the thing is, my mom gave me a whole bag, literally a whole bag of, you know, gift with purchases or sample sizes. And you know, when you buy a perfume for Christmas or birthdays, you have those sets where you have the perfume and the body lotion. She's not using the body lotion. She's using the perfume, but the rest she's not using. So she gave it to me, and it's a whole bag full of body lotion and hand cream and face cream. It's a lot, so I'm making my way through it. So for the body lotion I currently use is the Lush one. I got this from my best friend, the sleepy one, and it smells so good. It smells like lavender, and it smells amazing. Like, I cannot get enough of this smell. Oh my god. Definitely one of the body lotions that I would repurchase. And I don't see any problems with using this up because it's amazing. It weighs 57 grams. Precisely, 57. I use body lotion every single day, and this one actually makes me want to use it on my arms as well because it just smells so good and it lasts forever, and you can just smell it throughout the day. You will enjoy it. Oh my god, it's great. Then, second last product already is the hand cream. This currently weighs 16.94 grams. It's almost empty. By This Works. I'm not really a fan of hand creams, even with all the like the hand sanitizer and hand washing. I just don't use hand cream. So I made it my night routine before going to bed routine, whatever, to use hand cream. I don't really see a difference, to be honest, but I'm going to use that. And like I said, I have a whole bag of other creams. I already have another hand cream ready to go. Like I said, 16.94 grams. It's almost empty. Okay, and then last but not least, another makeup product. This is the KVD Alchemist Holographic Palette for Eyes and Face. I have used up the pink opal highlighter already. There's still a bit left around the corner, but I'm not going to use it. So I have 3 left. It's a blue, a green, and a purple. And the reason why I'm not using this is I currently have, oh god, that's patchy, oh my goodness. I currently have a blush that has some shimmer to it as well, so I feel like it's a bit too much if I use both. And yeah, I just want to use it up because I just don't like highlighter palettes. I'd rather have a single highlighter that actually matches my skin tone rather well, and that looks good, it's easy to blend in, that's easy to work with. Don't get me wrong, I love a good purple highlighter. It looks amazing, and the green and the blue one as well. But it's just not really my thing. And these are so intensely pigmented, it can easily look bad on my skin. So I just want to use this up, and then, like I said, go for highlighter that's actually more my skin tone, or that complements my skin tone. I don't know, I just don't want to walk around with a blue highlighter. And the highlighter palette weighs 76.91 grams as of today. You know what? I'm actually going to take a shower right now, so I think I'm going to use this one. I might use this one. The shampoo to wash my hands now. I'm not going to use that one. Perfume I will use today when I leave the house. Also, the good for perfume is I only want 4 perfumes in my collection, so I have one for each season. You know, like something fruity for summer, and then something a bit heavier, if that makes sense, for winter. And I only have 5 shampoos. Wow, yeah, I only have 5 perfumes, so I won't use them up. This I will use today. This I will use today. So we're making progress there. Hand cream I will obviously use, and then concealer I will also use today, and then this I will also use. So I'm making progress already, and I haven't even used it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Like I said, these will be filmed on the 1st of every month. I don't know when they will come out, but trust me, I will go on for a full year. Let's see how much progress I have next month. I hope a lot. I hope a lot. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel already, and I'll see you next one.